Welcome to LinkedIn Training Kit Chapter 3. Set up your LinkedIn visibility. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set up your visibility on LinkedIn. So let's get started. When you log into your LinkedIn profile, you land up at the dashboard page, which looks like this. Click on the Me icon on the top right panel as done in previous videos. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Next, click on the Visibility option, third one in the row. You can find multiple options by scrolling down on this window. These will help you to see and control the visibility of your profile and network. Now click on Profile Viewing Options, where you can select what others can see when you have viewed their profile. The choices available are Name and Headline, Private Profile Characteristics and Private Mode. Choosing the Private Profile Characteristics or Private Mode will disable who's viewed your profile and erase your viewer history. Accordingly, choose the relevant option. Now, click back to check other options. Next, you can edit your public profile. Here, you find options to edit customized URL, which will be discussed in the next chapters. You can also edit contents, and further scrolling down on this page, you can view your profile's visibility. In basic setting, you can choose to show headline, current experience, details, past experience and details again. Further, you can also create your profile badge by clicking on the Create a Badge button. Now go back to the main menu by clicking the Me icon again and clicking on Settings and Privacy. Again, click on Visibility option and navigate to the third feature, where you can control who can see or download your email address. Select from the options available under the list. Pick from Only Visible to Me, First Degree Connections, First and Second Degree Connections, or anyone on LinkedIn. Currently, it is selected as Only Visible to Me by default. It's important to note that if someone can see your email address, then they can contact you directly. You can learn more about this feature by clicking here. Moreover, you can also control to allow or disallow your connections to download your email in their data export. This can be done by clicking the toggle button on or off. Now, again, click on Visibility on the left pane and navigate to Connections. This can be controlled by this toggle button, where you can choose to allow your connections to see your connection list. Select on or off as per your preference. Likewise, you can also check who can see members you follow. This Follow Visibility option will enable you to restrict who can see members you follow. Click the radio button for either. It can be Only Visible to Me or anyone on LinkedIn. The controls to see your last name can also be updated using the next option on the visibility list. Your last name can be either the initial, for example P, or the one that displays your full name. Now go back to the main page and check for Profile Discovery and Visibility off LinkedIn and click on the arrowhead beside it. You can regulate the data sharing options here. This will show the information from your profile to users of permitted devices such as Outlook. You can set the profile visibility outside to on if you want to enable this sharing option, or off if you think otherwise. Here you can also manage whether your profile information can be found using your email address. Go back to the visibility page and see the next feature, Profile Discovery, using phone number similar to that of email address as above. Under this, you can select who can discover your profile if they have your phone number. You can choose from Nobody, Second Degree Connections and Everyone. Go back to the visibility page and scroll further down to see the visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Under this, you can manage your active status to control who can see that you are currently active while you are using LinkedIn. It can be all LinkedIn members, your connections only, or no one. Next in the list is Share Profile Updates with your network, which you can turn on or off here. You can select if you want LinkedIn to notify your network regarding your key profile changes or work anniversaries. Now go back by clicking Back button and move to Mentions and Tags. Here you can allow or disallow others to mention or tag you in content posted on LinkedIn. To allow, click the toggle to on or set it as off to disallow. Again, go back to Visibility and click on Followers. You can control people who can follow you. Choosing Everyone on LinkedIn lets people outside your network follow your public updates. Or if you change it to your connections, you may miss out on any out-of-network followers you have now. Depending upon your preference, you can select from these options and click the respective radio button. You can also enable the button to make Follow primary by turning it on. If this option is enabled, Follow will be the primary action when members view your profile. And if you have Creator Mode turned on for your profile, turning this off will also turn Creator Mode off, and vice versa. So you click it on or off accordingly. This was all about setting up profile visibility on your LinkedIn profile and distinct ways you can play around with the settings and controls. See you in the next tutorial.